Hi, today I'm going to take you through on how to use MIS Web. How to use MIS Web. So MIS is Management Information System. Management Information System. Now someone will ask, is this also part of the management system we use in the University of Ghana? The answer is yes. But then this is different from Sakai. This is very different from Sakai. Sakai is a learning management system, while this is management information system. So it means that Sakai is used for learning activities. Used for assignment. It is used for getting announcement from our lecturers, for sending emails and other features. Okay, but then this one is used for what? Getting information. This is management information system. So if you make your if you make the payment of your academic fees, it is going to reflect on MIS Web. Okay, when you do your examination on Sakai, or when your examination is conducted and then you take it, okay, at the end of it all, the result has to show on MIS Web. So those of you who are about to write examination, note that after everything, your final results will be uploaded on MIS Web for your personal review. The name is Abraham Amwa Muba, Student Navigator. Today I'm going to take you through. So let's start. Now, before you log into MIS Web, there are basic requirements you need to know. That is your student ID and PIN, as well as your device. Okay, any device that can be connected to internet. Then you open your web browser. It can be Google, can be Safari, it can be Mozilla Firefox and all that. So today I'm using Google Chrome. So when you open Google Chrome or the web browser, you type in MIS Web, then you search. So then you click on the first one, self-help enabler. Then you type in your student ID and PIN. Okay. Yes. So now this is the interface of MIS Web. This is the interface of MIS Web. As soon as you open, you are going to see your personal details. So I have my picture here. Some of you, I don't know whether you still have your pictures not showing, but then you can check and see. So I have my personal picture here. You see, I'm very handsome. Whether you like it or yes, I'm very handsome. And then this is my name, Abraham Amwa. My student ID. These are personal information about you. Okay. Yes, that is it. Now we have this information over here. We have school living information, application information, registration information, residence information, and financial information. Most of the time, in fact, almost all the time, we know that, or I will say that University of Ghana distance students, we know we don't deal with accommodation. You get it? So mostly the residence information over here doesn't really matter. Okay, good. So when you open the student living information, these are all information about your SHS details, your results or your score in SHS. Okay, that is it. All right. So now we have application. So we have your SHS details here. Then we have application. So you applied as a Bachelor of Science in Administration student. So some of you too, you applied as Bachelor of Arts students. Some of you Bachelor of Education and others. Okay. So this is your application information. Yes. And then your registration information. This is basically the courses you actually registered. So this semester I registered for 5 courses: microeconomics. I'm in level 200 first semester. So I registered for microeconomics, commercial law 1, fundamentals of accounting, um, social corporate responsibility and ethics, or corporate social responsibility and ethics, academic writing too. So these are the courses that I registered for this particular semester. Okay, so that is your registration information. Then we have residence information. There's nothing there because the distance students do not use residence information. And then we have financial information. Financial information. We have financial information. Okay. Now, when you click on financial information, this is debit amount. So debit amount is basically the total amount you are supposed to pay in all. Okay. And then credit amount is the amount you have paid so far. So far so good, amount that you have paid. So since I started level 100, the total amount I have paid is 6,320 cedis. And then my balance, this is the balance that I need to pay, 1,645 cedis. So you can help me pay. Yes, if you give me money, I'll go and pay it. All right. So now we have other details also here. So the balance is over here. Now let me go back here. When you check your personal information, this one where your picture, beneath the details, you will see the balance, you will see whether you are owing or the school is owing you. So you realize that I'm owing 1,645 Ghana cedis. All right. Now let me take you through some of the important aspects of MIS Web, some of the features that you need to know as a University of Ghana student. Now, the first one I'll talk about is registration. I know some of you used MIS Web for your registration, but today I'm not going to talk about registration. But after registering your course on either STS or using this MIS Web, it has to reflect, and it has to reflect on MIS Web. Anytime you register your courses or you do your online course registration, it has to reflect on MIS Web before it reflects on Sakai. Take note. Anytime you register your courses, if you do your online course registration, it has to reflect or make sure that it has reflected on MIS Web. Because if it reflects on MIS Web, it means that automatically it will reflect on Sakai. Do you understand? All right. So anytime you finish with your registration, you check on MIS Web to see if it has reflected. And this is how you should go about it. On the left side of the page of the interface, you will see application, you will see registration. Then you click on registration. Okay. Now we have rules and regulation. When you get time, you can read. We have submit registration. Submit registration is used if you are about to register your courses. This is used if you are about to register your courses. Okay. And then the next one is proof of registration. So proof of registration is a tool that will show your registered courses, all your registered courses. So let's click on it and see. Now, so you can see this semester I registered for 5 courses, and when I registered for 5 courses, and when I registered, now it's showing here. I have microeconomics, commercial law, fundamentals of accounting, social responsibility, and academic writing. So these are the 5 courses that I registered on Sakai. Okay, sorry, on MIS Web. Okay, so when you check your proof of registration and you see all these registered courses here, then it means that with time it will all reflect on Sakai. Okay, yes. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. So now another important thing you have to know is your student enquiry. That is your academic records. Okay, your academic records. So when you click on your academic, it means that you are going to check your results after everything. When you are done with your final examination, and then the lecturers upload your results, this is where you are going to see it. So you click on student enquiry. We have summarized statements of account. When you click on summary statement of account, basically it's about the fees. Okay, the amount you are supposed to pay as at your level, the amount you are supposed to pay. Okay, then we have academic records. We have academic records. Now academic records, we have academic records here. As soon as you click on academic records, this is what you are going to see. This is what you are going to see. Now you can see NA. It means that the examination has not yet been taken. Okay. Yes, for that matter, you don't have any results showing. But as soon as the result is uploaded, you will see either A or B, B plus, C plus, D plus, E or F. So any grade you get is based on your effort. Yes. So this is academic record. So now you know where to check your results. Okay, you know where to check your results. You know where to check your results. All right, so basically this is what you have to know about MIS Web. These are the important aspects of features that you need to know about MIS Web. Okay, all right, so the name is Abraham Amwa Muba, student navigator. See you in another video, or see you in the next video. All right, have a nice day.